Dear students, yesterday I have explained the combination of resistances in series. Today I am going to explain parallel combination of resistances. There may be at least two, maybe more. If two or more resistances are connected either in parallel or in series, we have to calculate the total resistances. So first of all, see the diagram. First resistance R1, R2 and R3. There are three resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. R1 parallel to R2, R2 parallel to R3. This is the end point of this combination. Both the end of this combination is connected to a cell or battery. The ends of this combination, parallel combination, are connected to a cell or battery having potential difference V, due to which I, capital I current flows in the circuit. This is capital I. Okay, suppose that three resistances R1, R2, R3 are connected in parallel. Both the ends of this combination are connected to a cell of potential difference V, due to which I current flows in the circuit. At this point, this current I distribute into three ways. In R1, I1 current flows, in R2, I2 current flows, and in R3, I3 current flows. I1 for R1, I2 for R2 and I3 for R3. This is the completion of the circuit. Okay, you remember in a parallel combination voltage remains same and current different. So what is the voltage through R1? It will be V. Voltage through R2, it will be V, and voltage through R3, it will be V. This means in parallel combination, voltage remain same. So I am writing here V, total current is I. So I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I equal to I1. You know I equal to V by R from Ohm's law. I equal to V by R, and from Ohm's law here V remains same R1, that is V remains same R2 and V by R3. Okay, different amounts of current, different resistances, but voltage remains same, potential difference remains same. Now V and V cancel from both sides, so we will write here 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the equivalent resistance for three resistances connected in parallel. 1 by R, reciprocal of R, that is 1 by R. 1 by R1, reciprocal of R1, reciprocal of R2 plus reciprocal of R3. So if we have to calculate the value of three or more resistances connected in parallel, we will use this formula. So you keep in your brain two formula for series combination. Sum of these three or maybe more than three, and for parallel combination 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. This will help us to solve the numerical problems. Okay, based on parallel combination as well as series combination. In my next class, I will solve one or two numerical questions based on parallel combination. Thanks, that's all.